In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to turn on dark mode on your Instagram. So guys, let's dive right into the video. Looking here on the screen is the homepage of my Instagram app. Now you need to click on the profile icon at the bottom of the screen and click on the three line icon at the top right corner. Right here, you need to scroll down gently. Right here, you can see where it says accessibility. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Now looking here, you can see where it says dark mode. You can go ahead and click on that and turn it on in order to enable dark mode. So with this, you've been able to enable dark mode on your Instagram app. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.